Using nose mask during the printing process. Anytime I want to print retarder base ink. Mixing of ink. You can mix the ink inside container. You can also mix the ink on the screen to make it blend. Cutting of pieces. You can do this anytime, just to make it ready before you need it. Before printing, I always decrease the mesh by applying retarder with pieces for the both sides of the mesh to remove the unwanted on the screen. I use another pieces to dry the mesh. Position your mesh depending on your drying area. Position your nylon depending on how it's convenient for you. Removing the artwork. You can do this immediately after you register your artwork design on nylon fabric. Adjusting the center of the nylon so that it can free during the printing process. Place the nylon to the nylon we use for registration for accuracy. There are different ways we can use for registration. Mix the ink again with retarder if needed. You can place up to 5 nylon and be printing it one after the other. Lift the screen to reveal the printed design on the nylon fabric. You can also be placing it one by one. If there is anything you don't understand, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be there to answer you. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.